Checking your Straight Talk refill date is straightforward. For auto refill users, your plan renews automatically each month on your scheduled date. The easiest way is through the Straight Talk app. Log in, navigate to account, then plan details. You'll see your expiration date clearly displayed. Alternatively, log into your account on the Straight Talk website, straighttalk.com, and check your dashboard. If you prefer, you can call 1-877-430-2355 or use their live chat for assistance. Checking your refill date proactively ensures uninterrupted service. For manual refills, staying on top of your refill date is crucial. Use the same methods to determine your expiration date: the app, website, or customer service. Set reminders on your phone or calendar a few days beforehand to avoid service interruptions. Remember, Straight Talk offers a 7-day grace period, but it's best to refill before your expiration date. Refill cards can be purchased online, in stores, or through the app. Don't forget that late payments may incur fees, so mark your calendar and refill on time.